that corrigendum.
Yes,
The first notification, my lord, was only Director Finance.
My lord, this my lord, as I pointed out, my lord, in the very beginning, my lord, earlier, kindly see, my lord, my objection statement, page 32. This government was aware of the fact, my lord, that there was because this is a smaller company, they didn't have the position of a director finance as such. This is the government was aware of this. They have earlier also exercised, my lord, the power under the articles 47 74A, which my lords would find at page 32 in respect of the earlier exercise. Now, my lord, government has to create, my lord, that position of finance director, and if they want to fill it up, my lord, I cannot have a grievance with regard to that because they are exercising their power under the articles of association. The process that they have followed, my lord, takes away the my lord, that position of my lord, CFO. That CFO recreating of that position as CFO was also because of Companies Act 203 of Companies Act, which requires the company to have a my lord, chief financial officer. Otherwise, my lord, this is that promotional post. There are minutes of the board of directors of the company, my lord, which indicates as to how that process was done. Therefore, my lord, the corrigendum makes him the my lord, the CFO of the company, which is a for which, my lord, it has to be a in my lord, service candidate who was served 17 years.
CFO illa, Director Finance. Director Finance.
Director, my lord, the government has to find, my lord, a way of accommodating him, because if you, my lord, kindly takes, my lord, my objection statement, page 25. My lord, Director of Finance position has been provided in KPTCL and BESCOM, which are bigger companies. My lord, they did not provide for this post in, my lord, the smaller ESCOMs, my lord, which are HESCOM and Gulbarga Company and SESC. They did not provide for the position, my lord, of Director of Finance.
Chief Accounts Officer, Chief Finance Officer, if the government is not going to nominate or appoint, it will have far-reaching consequences. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಯೂಟರಿ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
Illi non, my lord, I am subjected to the statutory audit. Statutory audit, my lord, I have internal auditor. I'm subjected to AG's audit. All that, my lord, is that process takes place, my lord. Therefore, there is no such situation where, my lord, I will not be subjected to, my lord, the audit by the AG's office. Here, my lord, an employee of AG's office, my lord, they want to post him to a promotional post under the CNR. That's the difficulty that we are facing. And
Yes,
also, my lord, so
See,
far as the accounts officers are concerned, one position, my lord, that's the highest position in my lord, on the accounting side. That position itself will go, my lord. There will be no promotional avenue to persons, my lord, who are in the stream of accounts. That is another aspect. So they will stagnate at a lower.
I'm okay with. No, I'm fine with that. But
The director is wanting to control its accounts also.
Government has to find a solution to this. They can post, my lord, they can have, they have a right to post it.
Why government? I will give you the solution.
Yes. Admitted it is an cadre post, my lord. But object behind this, my lord, in the earlier round of litigations, my lord, in this honorable court, in respect of the PWD is concerned, they give specific directions. There should be state account persons in the case of the accounting. This thing is concerned, my lord. So therefore, with that object, my lord, the posting has been done, my lord. So now it is also duty cast upon the authorities, and general directions have been issued in the past also, my lord, to amend the C&R rule to enable.
Amended still.
Subsequently, my lord, in many cases, the court, this honorable court has given a directions, my lord. In respect of the accounting standard is concerned, it should be by the independent agency, my lord.
State accounts department indane alli
Alla, but illi. That should be, my lord. There should be, in that context, my lord, the accounting and the administration should be separated, my lord. In that broader perspective, please.
Yes. Reserved.
Just one last thing, there is a director finance post. There is even now. If my lords were to go to the website, there is a director finance and CFO with respondent number 6 holds.
Website alirasilla C&R
there is a director finance. Sriranga or helidru, we are a small company, director finance illa anta. That's even today there is a
what they have done, my lord, to overcome this problem. The CFO who was holding that cadre post, my lord, he was nominated as the director of finance because government wanted to do it. That is what I showed, my lord, at page 26. That is how
Yes,
government has
you'll-
overcome that
you'll-
problem.
Heard reserved, yes.
Grateful.
55 Gayatri sir, agency MD.
Appear for petition. In terms of the interim order, we have deposited the
Deposit,
money,
huh?
millets.
Yes, madam.
Millets, one submission. Since it is a school millets, by end of the March millets, will settle the entire due. Will
Affidavit haki.
Yes, I shall file.
Affidavit of undertaking haki. If they don't settle, then you take action in accordance with law. I'll take it on Monday.
Yes,
Monday, file an affidavit of undertaking.
yes, millets. Millets, I'll deposit 25 lakhs each month till January.
ಏನೇನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ give it to the bank earlier.
Yes,
Then we will record that and dispose it.
yes, millets. Interim order.
Interim order subsisting would continue till the next date of hearing. List the matter on Monday in the fresh matters list.
Great.
Number 6. Now respondent number 6.
It's ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಎರಡು 230 ಮೂರ್ matter ಇದೆ. ಎರಡು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
Please, Mali, very well. No.
234 list, serial number 1, AP Murari.
ಮುರಾರಿ ಸರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಫೈಲ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
My lord, I have filed this petition challenging annexure H, my lord. That is the order of the Assistant Commissioner, wherein he has granted police protection to the respondents, my lord. And by the virtue of that, I am being dispossessed, my lord. There are like more than hundreds of police personnel coming to the petition land, and I am being
Why police protection to the respondent on what count?
on the ground that, my lord, your lordship may kindly take up annexure H at page 29. my lord.
20, huh?
29.
I am there, tell me.
There, my lord, earlier there was a writ petition filed, my lord, challenging the order of the Tahsildar, wherein Tahsildar had given police protection to the same respondents. That came to be stayed by the virtue of the order, interim order of this honorable court. Now, my lord, on 7th of July, my lord, the order was modified, wherein it was being said that the order dated 4/12/24 passed by the Tahsildar granting police protection is stayed hereby till the next date of hearing. However, this shall not preclude party in possession from cultivating the land. On this, my lord, the respondents have furnished some application, my lord, and in response to that application.
ಉಳುಮೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ನಿಮಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗ?
Sorry, my lord.
Cultivating the land permission ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು respondents ಗ ನಿಮ್ಗ?
ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, my lord. It was just said parties. So
Parties ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು?
I am
Third
in
parties.
possession, my lord.
Yes, comment, why?
Yes, copies
Why
are
entire
not,
police force is gone there? ಬೇರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
copies not served.
ಹಾ?
Copies not served, my lords.
ಕೇಳಿದ ಕಡೆ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 police jeeps.
Kindly have it tomorrow, my
ಯಾಕೆ
lords.
ಗಲಭೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
I'll take instructions.
List the matter tomorrow in the fresh matters list. It is made clear that if the police are interfering with the possession in the garb of rendering police protection, the matter would be viewed very seriously. List the matter tomorrow in fresh matters list. Yes.
Serial number 2, Dayananda Baddi.
Lord, the pujaris and devotees of one Nilgunda Mata,
Pujaris and devotees.
are
Problem
before-
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
Huh?
ಏನ್ problem?
problem, my lord, there is a Nilgunda Mata which is nearby Gudnappan Mata in which the litigation is pending.
ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಇದು. My lord, since 50 years, my lord, we are doing Anna Dosaha on Hostila Hundime, my lords. That is 5 days. 5 days there is a jatra, and this is doing Anna Dasoha since 50 years for 5 days, commencing from Hostila Hundime.
ಯಾರು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು?
ಇದನ್ನ ತಹಶೀಲ್ದಾರ್ ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕಿಚನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. I have produced the photographs.
Take instructions.
ಏನು 2 ದಿನ ಕೊಡ್ಲಾ?
ನಾಳೆ ನಾಡ್ದೇನೆ ಇದೆ.
ದಾಸೋಹ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ?
ನಾಳೆ ಬೇಡ.
ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆನಾ? ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, 8 to 10.
Why have you locked it? ನೀವು ಕಾಪಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಎಲ್ಲ
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಕಾಪಿ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ 2:30 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಸಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಬರಿಸಿ ಬಂದಿರಿ?
Copy has
ನೀವು
been served, my lords. I'll take
ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಮತ್ತೆ.
tomorrow.
We will ask the lock to be opened now.
ಎಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟಾದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 7-8 ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು 5 ದಿನ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಅಷ್ಟ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳಿ, you can go and eat food there. Why have you locked it, sir? ಕಾರಣ ಏನು?
ಆಗ ಇದನ್ನ ದ ಪಂಚಕಲಸ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವ is regarding that is Gudnappan Mata The litigation
ನೀವು
before.
ಏನೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರು
ಲೀಗಲಿ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
ಲೀಗಲಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್
ಓ
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು. ಎಸ್.
But there is no, even though there is a grant.
No, this that ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದು that court ಇರ್ತಾನೆ.
ಹೌದು.
ಅದು ಆ ಮಠ ಬೇರೆ, ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಠ.
ಇದು ಯಾರ ಮಠ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಗೊತ್ತೀಗ? Somebody else is shooting from your shoulder.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಈ ಮಠಕ್ಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೋ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಇದೇನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ದಾಸೋಹ ಏನೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಈ ಮಠಕ್ಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೋ
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರಿ. No, that court building case ಅಲ್ಲಿ I went through the paper. It is listed today.
Today listed for dictation of the judgment.
I went through the papers. Somebody else is shooting from these people's shoulder.
Till today, my lord, till today they are not in possession of the property. Let the court commissioner appoint.
I am going to dismiss, sir. Definitely.
Today itself court commissioner may be appointed.
ಇಲ್ಲ court commissioner appointment.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರೋ somebody else is shooting.
No, my lords. That is a private land. That is a private land of 40 acres which has been granted to me way back in the year 1981.
What purpose?
My lords.
For what purpose?
For agriculture, my lords.
Oh, agriculture ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
Agriculture ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Court commissioner may be appointed, my lord. There is probably misunderstanding and this is.
No.
Well, still, my lord, I'll borewells ive ನಾನು ಈಗಲೂ.
That is a land to the extent of 188 acres. The
We are only concerned about 40 acres.
40 acres ಏನಿಲ್ಲ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೇ ನಮ್ 40 acres.
That order I will pass.
And no farm.
I'll reserve that matter. Anyway,
Please.
I've heard it. Yes.
Serial number 170.
193, my lords.
190. We'll take it as reserved. We'll pass out.
Yes.
Please.
Yes. Now, Arun Sham.
My lord, I appear for the petitioners counsel in 56 and 56.2 minutes.
Not, I appear for the respondent in the
Before
first.
I raise, I will take it. Don't worry. Yes.
My lord, one submission, my lord.
ಬಂದಿಲ್ವಾ ಯಾವ್ದು?
My lord, there is some urgency in 61 matter.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 61 ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ?
My lord, the petitioner, my lords, selected in the Indian Army. The Tahsildar, my lords, not issuing the domicile certificate, my lord.
Why?
My lord, he is saying that, my lords, I have studied in the Maharashtra, my lord. That is what he is not. All the remaining documents from the, my lord, Karnataka only, from the Belgavi.
Government. With costs.
Domicile certificate has been rejected on the ground that the education certificate which has shown from the Maharashtra.
ಅದು list tomorrow ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ. We'll allow it tomorrow.
Please, my lord. ಅಲ್ಲ 7th ಗೆ ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 30th joining.
I will extend the time by an order of the court. Why are you worried? Yes. Tomorrow, 10:30.
Please.
You may remind me at 10:30. Before that case, I will close this case.
Please. 61.
Point number 6.
Before the petition. Senior is appearing.
May I appear for the petitioners counsel in serial number 56 and 56.2 minutes.
Yes,
both these matters are covered by your lordship's order, and in 56.2.
21(3).
21(3).
They are making.
It is not covered, my lord.
My lord, it is not covered, my lord.
How are the
My lord, this is a matter where, my lord, this
that
is
was
not
rendered, my lord, in the context of Cooperative Societies Act, number
My
1.
lord, this is a Soharda where, my lord,
Locus standi of the petitioner is also, my lord.
All right, let the petitioner start.
Let them, my lord, establish the locus also, my lord, and the
ಆಯ್ತು. Yes.
non-joined of necessary party.
My lord, the third round of delegating the same person is under challenge, which my lord may kindly turn to, my lord, in the second writ petition, that is in WP 107803.
ಇದೇನು ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿನಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಸರ್
voters as well as my lord contesting parties, my lord, so far as district.
Okay, all right. ಅಲ್ಲ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಓವರ್ಟೋನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ
ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ.
I think in all institutions that has become the norm.
All cooperative matters are like that.
All right. Yes. ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
My lord, in 107-803, page 22, your lordship's order will stand.
107-803 ಅದ್ಯಾವುದು ಮೇಡಮ್?
Please.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸರ್?
My lord, in that, my lord, your lordship was pleased to rule in paragraph 7 at page 27.
ಇವರೇ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಗುರುದಾಸ್ ಕಣ್ಣೂರು.
ಹೌದು, ಗುರುದಾಸ್ ಕಣ್ಣೂರು.
My lord, I had appeared. In fact, your lordships have passed one more order after that. That was with regard to participation and voting. That order, your lordships, my lord, has been released just a day earlier. But my lord, that is with regard to cooperative society. This one, my lord, in the first matter I'm appearing.
Yes, ಹೇಳಿ. Yes, sir.
My lord, in so far as the issue in both the writ petitions is concerned, it's one and the same. That is 121(3). But in the first matter where Mr. Gurudas Kannur is appearing, the difference that is sought to be made by them by way of statement of objections is that the structure of management and etc. are different. Therefore, the same law cannot be applied to the sixth respondent in the first writ petition is the contention of the respondent. For that, my humble submission is, my lord, a judgment of the learned single judge of this honorable court, which had held that both are one and the same. My lord will, my colleague will pass on the judgment, my lord. Subsequently, the same judgment was confirmed by the division bench, holding that both of them are cooperative societies.
ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇದು?
Yes, division bench order page
paragraph.
Division bench may be better, my lord. Last paragraph of the division bench order.
ಕೊಡಿ.
That makes clear the purpose and context in which that has been rendered.
ಆಯ್ತು.
Before that, paragraph 27 may kindly be seen, division bench order.
Division bench is